Hi, I'm Ari over at Ironman Power Washers. I've been in the pressure washing business for over 22 years, and not just selling pressure washers. I've been out there doing pressure washing work just like you. I know what it's like to work with substandard equipment. I know what it's like to need new equipment but not have the finances or the credit to get it. That's why we've implemented the Ironman No Credit Check Rent to Own program. Now, with this program, you can get a brand new hot water pressure washer trailer for just as little as $500 a month. Now, let's face it, you're not going to get a substantial contract riding around working out of the back of your trunk or the back of your SUV. If you want to get big boy money, you got to look like the big boys, and Ironman Power Washers will help you do that. So if you're a good person with bad credit, Ironman Power Washers wants you.